How to manage reduce data usage on Microsoft Teams. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage reduce data usage option. So first thing, go to Microsoft Teams. Now go to the top corner, click on your profile and go to the settings option. Click on settings. Now you will find a lot of options here. Choose the third one, it's data and storage. And here you will find the first option, reduce data usage. Click on it and choose the one that you want, always or on cellular networks. As you can see, it's very easy to change and it will be updated easily. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.